everyone, welcome to YouTube with Irene, where I give you tips and advice on how to grow your channel organically from the start. And in today's video, I will be giving you 6 tips on how to grow your channel organically in 2020. Now, I actually started my first YouTube channel called Lovey Irene back in September or October of 2019. And from then I started to grow. So within a year I gained about 2.5k subscribers. Now how did I do that? Now that's what I will be telling you in this video. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to see all 6 tips. So the first tip is provide interesting content. I know this is a very general tip I can give you, but I see so many YouTubers starting out with a lifestyle content and they only make vlogs, mukbangs, and things like that. This is not going to provide value to your viewers. They are logging onto YouTube every single day to learn something, to laugh about something. Vlogs and other general videos like those are not good ways to attract your viewers. Unless you have something super interesting in this and the thumbnail suggests that this is going to be super funny, this is going to be super informative, this is going to be super interesting, they are not going to click on your video, hence why you are not growing on your channel. Those kind of videos should be made when you have a certain amount of subscribers, a certain amount of fan base, I suppose, and they are actually interested about you. No matter what the video is, they will click on to your video. So make clickable videos that people will want to click on. If you browse onto YouTube and see your feed, you will see some videos that you actually are interested in. Why is this? Because they have interesting looking thumbnails, interesting looking titles. Another thing you could do is make searchable videos. So this includes how-to videos. Since people are searching on YouTube how to bake a cake, how to learn a new instrument, and things like that, this is what they are looking for. Now, it is hard to rank in search, and that is a whole different story to get along with the YouTube algorithm, but this is not that kind of video. I will make a video on that. If you guys want to see it, make sure to comment. Make videos that people will search for and look for. And the next tip is choose one niche. So do not include working out videos with cooking videos. You're going to want to have just one topic, so one cooking channel or one working out channel. If you do have multiple niches you want to choose, you can make separate channels for that. I don't really recommend doing that from the start because it's really difficult to manage 2 channels at once. Say, for instance, you don't know what kind of niche you should choose. You have so many different things, but you aren't really sure of which topic suits you the best. In that case, take about 2 weeks just to upload every kind of video. So lifestyle videos, working out videos, cooking videos, planting videos, and see which one gains more views and more engagement. You'll go to most popular and one video will show up. If you do like that topic and you can see yourself working with that for about months and months, then you can choose that topic for your channel. So the third tip is optimize your videos. You might have heard other YouTubers talk about this. So what this means is getting on the YouTube algorithm side. Optimize your titles, tags, and description boxes so they describe clearly what your video is about. Now, YouTube is not a person. It can't really tell what you're talking about just from the video with no title, description box, and or tag. So you're gonna have to tell them specifically what your video is about. Say your video is about your plant collection, then you're going to want to tag words such as plant collection, plant lover, plants, and other things that you have talked in the video. Do not tag things that are not related to your video. I see so many small YouTubers doing this. So say there's this really popular thing going around, but it's not related to your video at all, you don't want to tag that. I can make a separate video on how to optimize your channel and your videos. That's like a whole other story and very detailed as well. So I'll make sure to add that to my video ideas list. The fourth one should be very, very obvious, yet people are tempted to do it. Do not ask for sub, follow for follow, or whatever those things are. Those things are not going to help you in the long run because say they subscribed, say they did, they're going to unsubscribe later on because they aren't interested in your videos. But if you find someone that likes your channel and your content, well, that's a good thing. But since YouTube has so many different topics, so many different niches, not everyone is going to be interested in your channel. So you want to bring subscribers that are actually interested in your videos because that will increase your engagement, such as comments, likes, even dislikes actually. And the fifth one is a bit different from what I was saying in the fourth tip, and that is ask your friends and family to subscribe to you. Your family and your friends are going to be your biggest fan when you first start out your YouTube channel. I remember when I first started my Lovey Irene YouTube channel, I legit only had 2 comments, which was my sister and my best friend. they were the only comments. But that's what grew my channel. And later on, there are thousands of other comments on my videos because of that start. So they are going to be your biggest fans when you first start out your channel. And the sixth one, this is the most important tip I have to give to you guys. This literally helped me grow my channel so much, I'm not even kidding. And that is, promote your channel. Promote your channel everywhere, anywhere. As long as you don't say sub for sub, as long as you don't put them on unrelated videos. So what you can do with this is promote on, say, Facebook groups. I used to have that for a while. Say if your channel is about cooking, then you're going to want to go to cooking Facebook groups, I'm sure there are plenty of them, and say, hey guys, I uploaded my video on how to make chili. So you guys, if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave the link down below and you can see it. So that's not saying sub for sub. That is actual organic growth that will grow your channel, because these people are actually interested about cooking and they will be your subscribers if they actually like your content. Say you also really love gaming and you join a gaming Facebook group. You don't want to promote on there because you're not a gaming channel. Unless you have a gaming channel, you're not going to want that in the gaming community. And say you are uploading a post, tell them why they should subscribe. Give them a reason. For example, it could be, I post weekly new recipes on my channel that you can easily follow along, and some ideas for your meals. This way they will know what's on your channel, why they should subscribe, and what value you'll bring to them. People are here on YouTube because they want something from you. They're not watching just because they feel bad for you that you have no subs, whatever. A better way you could promote this is a bit more tricky. Since my other channel is about Red Velvet, which is a K-pop group, by the way, I went into the Red Velvet Facebook community and saw some like active users, and I direct messaged them by saying, hi, I saw that you're actually a Red Velvet fan. If you want to check out my channel, I would be so happy. I make videos 2 times a week relating to Red Velvet, and I'm sure that you'll love it. If they say no, don't be too sad. I've literally had people be like, why? Why should I do this? And I'm like, I gave you the reason. But yeah, posts aren't always gonna work, especially if it's like a really big community. You're gonna get drowned by other posts. So DMing them is a good way, as long as you don't say, hey, subscribe to my channel right now, or and I'll subscribe back. It's not that kind of thing. That is literally self-promo in the negative way. It goes 2 ways. There's that sub for sub side, or actually organic growth, not forcing them to subscribe, just asking. Just to check out your videos, and if they like it, subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video. If you guys want me to do any other videos relating to YouTube growth, I'll be more than happy to make that. And if you have any other tips on how to gain more subscribers, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe because I am still a growing channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!